Once again, I welcome you to the very interesting session of learning properties of rational numbers. Dear children, in today's session, let us learn the associative property on all the four fundamental operations of arithmetic, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. The first one is associative property of addition of rational numbers. It states that the sum of any three rational numbers remains the same even if they are grouped in different order and added. Symbolically, it is written as for every ABC belongs to R, A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. Observe here, in LHS, the first two numbers are grouped. In RHS, the last, that is B and C, are grouped. Let us consider the example. Consider the three rational numbers minus 2 by 3, 3 by 5 and minus 5 by 6. Let us group these in different order and find the sum. In the first case, I will group 2 by 3 and 3 by 5. So here the denominators are 3 and 5. The LCM is 15. 3 5s are 5 2s are 10. 5 3s are 3 3s are 9. So minus 10 plus 9 is minus 1 by 15. And this becomes plus into minus is minus 5 by 6. Here again the LCM is 30. So 15 2s are, it is minus 2. 6 5s are, 5 5s are 25. So minus 25. So this is minus 2 minus 25 upon 30. Both are minus, add and keep minus sign. So it is minus 27 upon 30. So in the second case, group 3 by 5 and minus 5 by 6. So here the LCM is again 30. So it becomes 18 minus 25 upon 30. 18 minus 25 is minus 7. Write minus 2 by 3 as it is. Again take LCM. LCM is 30. So here it becomes minus 20 minus 7 upon 30. Both are minus, add and keep minus sign. So it is minus 27 upon 30. So in both the cases we got the same answer. Hence we say that addition of rational numbers is associative. Now the second fundamental operation in arithmetic is subtraction. Subtraction of rational numbers is not associative. So let us justify this taking an example. So here in this example I have considered 2 by 3, 4 by 5 and 1 by 2 as rational numbers. Group 2 by 3 and 4 by 5, subtract. Since it is subtraction, find the difference. 2 by 3 minus 4 by 5. So LCM is again 50. So it becomes 10 minus 12 upon 15. Write this minus 1 by 2 as it is. So 10 minus 12 is 2. Bigger number sign minus. So it is minus 2 by 15 minus 1 by 2. So again the LCM is 30. After taking the LCM 30, it becomes minus 4 minus 15 upon 30. Both are minus, add and keep minus sign. So it is minus 19 by 30. Now in the second case, group these 4 by 5 and 1 by 2. Find the difference. LCM is 10. So this becomes 8 minus 5 upon 10. So 8 minus 5 is 3. Plus into minus is minus. Here the LCM of 3 and 10 is 30. So this is 20 minus 9 upon 30. 20 minus 9 is nothing but 11 upon 30. Hence we say that because we got different answer, hence we say that subtraction of rational numbers is not associative. Now the third one is multiplication. So associative property of multiplication of rational number. It states that the product of any three rational numbers remains the same even if they are grouped in different order and multiplied. Symbolically it is written as for every ABC belongs to R, A into B into C is equal to A into B into C. Consider the example. In this example, I have taken the three rational numbers as minus 2 by 3, minus 4 by 5 and 1 by 2. Group minus 2 by 3 and minus 4 by 5 and find the product. And whenever we multiply two fractions, we know that we multiply the numerators, the numbers present in the numerators, and we multiply the numbers present in the denominator. So it is minus 2 into minus 4 is minus into minus is plus 2 4s are 8. So 3 into 5 is 15. Write this 1 by 2 as it is. Again the numerators are 8 and 1. So 8 into 1 is 8. 15 2s are 30. What answer we got here? 8 by 30 by grouping the first two numbers. Now in the second case, group the last two numbers, that is minus 4 by 5 and 1 by 2. Find the product. Here minus 4 into 1 is minus 4. 5 2s are 10. So minus 2 into minus 4 is 8, 3 tens are 13. So in both the cases we got the answer as 8 by 30. Hence we say that multiplication of rational numbers is associative. The fourth operation is division, but division of rational numbers is not associative. So consider the examples and find the division by grouping in different order and give your justification. So in the first case, group 1 by 2 and minus 1 by 3, write this as it is. So you know that, dear children, you should know that whenever division symbol is changed into multiplication, you will have to write the reciprocal of a term which comes after division sign. So this I have written 1 by 2 as it is. I have changed this division into multiplication. Minus 1 by 3 will become minus 3 by 1. And if the denominator is 1, we are not writing, it is understood. So this 2 by 5, write as it is. So minus 3 into 1 is minus 3 by 2 divided by, so 2 by 5. Again here, when you are changing division sign into multiplication sign, write the reciprocal of 2 by 5, it becomes 5 by 2. So minus 5, minus 3 into 5 is minus 15, 2 2s are 4. The answer we got is minus 15 upon 4. And here, group the last two numbers 1 by 3. So division sign is changed into multiplication sign, it becomes 5 by 2. Minus 5 into 1 is minus 5, 2 3s are 6. So again here, I have changed division sign into multiplication, this 5 by 6 will become 6 by 5. So when you find the product, it is minus 6 by 10. So in both the cases, we got different answers. Hence we say that division of rational numbers is not associative. So the remark, after learning all the associative property on all the 4 fundamental operations in arithmetic, the remark says that addition and multiplication of rational numbers are associative, whereas subtraction and division of rational numbers are not associative. Thank you, children.